What if I told you that you could earn thousands of dollars a month while exploring the most beautiful corners of the world? That's right. From white sandy beaches to bustling cities, this could be your new office. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to earning while traveling, where I'm not just going to give you the usual work remotely spiel, but instead, we're talking about rare, unique, and massive profit potential ideas that can fuel your wanderlust and fatten your bank account. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to live life on your terms while earning huge, stick around, because this guide will change your life. Let's get into it. 1. Travel content creation for luxury brands. Potential profit, $10,000 plus month. While travel vlogs and Instagram pages are common, partnering directly with luxury brands and high-end travel agencies is a goldmine very few tap into. Here's the strategy. Rather than creating generic content, position yourself as a luxury travel content creator. Think about this. 5-star hotels, private jets, and exclusive destinations need someone to showcase their elite experiences, and they're willing to pay top dollar to someone with the right influence and skills. To get started, build a strong portfolio highlighting unique, high-end destinations. Once you've established that polished aesthetic, start reaching out to luxury brands and offering custom packages, social media content, blog features, and even video tours. These brands typically work with much bigger marketing budgets, so don't hesitate to pitch $5,000 to $10,000 per campaign. 2. Nomadic stock photography business. Potential profit, $1,000 to $6,000 month. Stock photography is nothing new, but here's the twist. Exotic, rare, and highly niche travel destinations. While everyone focuses on Paris and Bali, there are countless untapped locations with a huge demand for high-quality imagery. Businesses, travel magazines, and online platforms are always in need of stunning, unique stock photos, and if you're already traveling, you're sitting on a gold mine. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and even direct sales through your website can yield $1 to $100 per image license. And if you upload consistently from exotic locations, you could easily rake in $1,000 to $6,000 monthly. But here's the kicker. Offer exclusive rights to some of your best photos, and you can sell them for $500 to $2,000 a pop. 3. Pop-up workshops and retreats. Potential profit, $15,000 plus event. Have a specific skill set that's in demand? Whether you're a fitness coach, business consultant, or meditation guru, consider hosting pop-up workshops or even full-blown retreats in the countries you're visiting. Imagine hosting a 5-day wellness retreat in Costa Rica or a business mastermind in the Swiss Alps. You can charge premium prices because people are paying not only for your expertise, but also for the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Let's break it down. You could easily charge $2,000 to $5,000 per person for a retreat, and with just 10 attendees, you're looking at $20,000 to $50,000 per event. Plus, many travelers are seeking unique experiences that combine learning with adventure, making this a highly profitable venture. 4. Travel consulting for wealthy clients. Potential profit, $8,000 to $20,000 a month. Rich people have problems too, and one of their biggest issues, they have no time to plan their lavish getaways. That's where you come in as a luxury travel consultant. You'll plan every detail of their dream vacation, private jets, 5-star hotels, exclusive tours, and charge a handsome fee for your expertise. Start by building a network of luxury travel agencies, high-end tour operators, and exclusive venues. Then, offer your services to high-net-worth individuals who are willing to pay $1,000 to $10,000 per itinerary, depending on complexity. With a few clients per month, you can earn $8,000 to $20,000 easily while traveling the world yourself. 5. Mobile high-end photography and videography for destination weddings. Potential profit, $5,000 to $20,000 plus month. Destination weddings are on the rise, and couples are willing to drop some serious cash to capture those unforgettable moments. Offering luxury wedding photography or videography services as you travel can make for an incredibly lucrative business. Here's the secret. Destination wedding packages often range from $5,000 to $20,000 per client, depending on your experience and offerings. The best part? You're already traveling! Whether it's the beaches of Santorini or the cliffs of Big Sur, you'll be working in stunning locations while making thousands of dollars per event. With just 2 to 4 weddings per month, you could be looking at a 6-figure income annually. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 6. Private label product launches on the go. Potential profit $3,000 to $15,000 a month. Imagine traveling to exotic locations and sourcing unique products directly from local markets to launch your own private label brand. This is a hidden gem of a business model. You could find handmade crafts, organic skincare, or even gourmet food items, brand them under your own label, and sell them at a huge markup on e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Shopify. To maximize profits, focus on rare, high-demand items that aren't easily accessible elsewhere. If you sell 100 units at a profit of $30 each, you're looking at $3,000 a month. Scale it up by sourcing more products, increasing your product range, and marketing to a targeted audience, and you could hit $15,000 or more in monthly profits. 7. International property flipping. Potential profit $30,000 to $100,000 plus per flip. One of the lesser known but insanely profitable ways to earn while traveling is to get involved in international property flipping. Many countries offer real estate at a fraction of the price you'd pay in Western nations, and after some renovations and smart marketing, you can sell these properties to wealthy expats or international investors for a massive profit. Take countries like Thailand, Mexico, or Portugal. You could purchase properties for $50,000, invest another $10,000 to $20,000 in renovations, and flip them for $100,000 to $200,000. With just 2-3 flips per year, you could be earning well over 6 figures while living in some of the most beautiful places on the planet. 8. Luxury yacht crew or charter services. Potential profit $7,000 to $50,000 a month. This one is truly a high-end nomadic gig. Many luxury yachts need experienced crew members, and you don't have to be a captain to get on board. From chefs to stewards to event planners, you can travel the world while working on super yachts. If you have a specific skill, such as culinary arts, you can charge premium rates. Alternatively, you can also partner with yacht owners to offer high-end charter services, managing the experience for vacationers. With charter fees ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 per week, the potential for earnings is massive, especially if you become the go-to person for high-net-worth individuals looking for custom yacht experiences. 9. Exclusive membership-based travel guides. Potential profit $5,000 to $15,000 a month. Another rare opportunity lies in creating membership-based travel guides for specific audiences. Picture this. You create an exclusive, paid membership where subscribers get access to inside travel tips, exclusive deals, and even pre-arranged travel experiences tailored to their preferences. You could create travel guides for digital nomads, luxury travelers, or even adventure enthusiasts. Charge $10 to $50 per month for membership access, and if you attract 500 to 1,000 members, you're looking at $5,000 to $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue. The beauty of this model is its scalability, since you're creating content once but monetizing it through hundreds of subscribers. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.